All right, got a new project on the workbench today. It is a Sony cassette player. It's one of the cheaper ones. Got it off Facebook Marketplace for 20 bucks. We're gonna try to fix it. It powers on just fine, but the tape does not do anything. It like spins, you can hear the motor running. So it's probably the belts. Let's look inside. Yeah, there's some belt material left, but oh, there's a piece of it. Okay, yep. We got goo. All right, so I was able to find this off of a service manual for a different model. The 170, this is for the 170. I have a 160. It does look a little different, but I think it tells me that there's two belts. The little thingy, if I can zoom in here. Zoom, there it goes. Oh, too far. There's two, you can see two belts that go on that one. Possibly two belts on that one. And the motor, it's hard to tell. It's got a bunch of goo. And I can't even see it. Maybe right there. You can kind of see it down in there somewhere. Zooming in with an analog camera today, using a high 8. So we're filming analog for an analog. All right, I'm gonna use some toothpicks and see if I can get some of this goo out. Yeah, I really can't access the motor pulley at all. All right, I was able to get it loose, and dude, that's kind of grungy. Power on. What happens if I hit play? Nope, there it goes. So it looks like we're gonna have to get some good belts. So there's a lot more work than I thought there was gonna be for this. So I ended up doing a bunch off camera because this is a high 8 recorder and I only have one tape. And I don't even know how well this is gonna look. We'll see when I digitize it. Anyway, what I ended up doing is I ended up having to get the proper belts, 1 millimeter square. I bought a lot and put those in there. It's kind of hard to see, but it had an interesting tape belt path. There's two different belts, which you probably could do it with one, interestingly. I ended up using the service manual. So this is a TC FX 160. So I did find the 170 service manual, but it has a different path. But it seems like the 150, I did find a service manual for the 150, and it has the belt path, and it looks like the same motor system. I was able to record. It's working kind of fine to play. So I recorded some good stuff on a 90-minute tape here. One of the issues I'm having, and maybe someone can comment and help me, I want to try to rate it as well, but fast forward is fine, play is fine, the record's fine. Actually, I haven't tested the pause yet. Oh, okay, it pauses. But rewind is very finicky. So you can see like the motors are spinning, but there's some sort of a clutch that whenever you reach the end of a tape, it'll stop playing. I guess I don't know a whole lot about these things. But if I take a tape out and rewind, wait. Yeah, so it spins fine. Of course, if I press, I can stop it with my finger. So it's acting as if there's just too much resistance. This is a brand new tape, and so that shouldn't be the case. And it seems to spin fine with when I stick a pencil in there. So if anybody has any suggestions, I would love to hear it. Anyway, it's been an interesting experience. I did end up cleaning out the inside really well. It's hard to see. Wait, I got zoom on this thing. Can only zoom in so far. I cleaned out some stuff. I haven't done the azimuth. I haven't done the tape speed. I just ordered a cassette with the tone on it so I can adjust the motor speed. I guess there's an azimuth too. Another issue I was having is after a long recording session, it appeared that the tape, here, I pull this front panel thing off. So I would press play and maybe it was getting warm. And when I tried to play it, it was appearing as if the pinch roller was sticking on the tape. And if I lifted the tape up, it would play. If I let gravity have it, it would just, all kinds of distortion. So anyway, it may be because this is a cheap tape player. And so there's this worn stuff that may not be repairable. Anyway, it's up and running. And it was fun to mess around with it. Thanks for watching.